Hi guys, welcome to Galbi's Kitchen. Did you guys watch the movie Parasite? The first Korean movie that won 4 Oscars. I'm going to make instant noodle from that movie called Chapaguri, or in English, Ramdon noodle. The name came from 2 different instant noodle, Chapageti, Noguri. So we use 2 syllables from each. So we combined Chapaguri. Chapaguri. I think translator couldn't figure out this name, so I think he translated as Ramdon, ramen and udon, Ramdon noodle. Because this one instant noodle is meant to be instant udon noodle, and another is just instant ramen noodle. Let's get started. Let's open up the steak. I'm using 200 grams sirloin steak. Cut them into bite-sized cubes. Now, season the beef with salt and pepper. Preheat the pan and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. When oil is just about to smoke, add steak and cook them through. I think in the movie Parasite, they added the Korean beef steak into instant noodle to criticize the gap between the rich and the poor. Instant noodle is cheap and it tends to be the food that less fortunate people enjoy a lot, while Korean beef steak is very expensive and it is not approachable for poor people. Keep the steak beside and boil 1.5 liters of water. While you are waiting for water to boil, julienne the cucumbers. When water starts to boil, open up the noodle and take out the vegetable mix from both 짜파게티 and noguri and put them into the pot. Now, add noodles into a pot and cook them for about 5 to 6 minutes. Make sure to stir it up frequently so noodles don't stick to each other. Now, put the steak over medium heat and add all the noodles into it. Add all the 짜파게티 powder. And then add just half of the noguri powder, because it's very salty and spicy. Now mix them all, the noodle, the powder, and the steak. Lastly, you add olive oil that came with 짜파게티. Mix them one more time and transfer them into a bowl. Alright, it's time to eat. First, I'm gonna take a bite of steak. Very good. I know what I need. I need kimchi. With the kimchi, I'm gonna try again. Alright, it was very delicious. I loved it. If you haven't watched the movie Parasite, go to the theater right away. You will think that it deserves 4 Oscars. Anyway, if you like this recipe, press the thumb button down below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye!